Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day I lift the Sequoia TRD Pro. The Westcott Designs full kit arrived today in black anodized. Here it is, beautiful packaging. So Westcott Designs does a phenomenal job with just appearance. Here's what it looks like. And here's just a quick reminder of whether or not you want to use the top shims or not. I will not be using the top shims. And the reason being is that when I took the measurements from center of the hub to the bottom of the fender on each side, there's about a 2-inch difference or 1.75 difference on each from front to rear. I got 20.75 on the driver's side, 20 7/8 on the passenger side in the front, 22.25 on the driver's side, and 22.75 on the passenger side. So the passenger side is slightly taller. It's not noticeable to the eye, but it is. So if I use the top shim as well, it would make the front look a lot taller, or not a lot taller, but just taller. And if I put any weight in the back, it'll sag and look horrible. So I'm leaving the top shim off. Unless I put like a steel bumper in the front or like the CBI covert bumper, which might add weight and sag the front, then I could add the top shim. So that's it. I'm also going to be stuffing 35s, getting rid of these little guys. I'm going with the Toyo Open Country RT Trails, and they are basically brand new. They've only been out for a few months. I hear they ride extremely smooth on the road, and they're super aggressive. So stay tuned, because this baby is going to be transformed in a little bit. All right, well, here she is, lifted and 35s. Just picked her up from the shop. Galpin Auto Sports did the lift along with the tire swap. Again, as I mentioned, went with the Open Country RT Trails. These are brand new. They are definitely beefy, as you can see. I think they fit perfect. Looks good, pretty flush with the fenders. Didn't want any poke. Again, this is a daily driver for my wife. So yeah, I went with the puck, the 1-inch pucks in the rear. That gave me exactly a 1-inch lift based on my measurements. And the front lifted by 2 inches exactly on both sides. So it is a perfect stance. The 35s fit no problem. I didn't even have to remove this front mud flap and pin the felt back. There was absolutely no rubbing whatsoever. The tires ride very smooth, pretty quiet right now, but all tires ride quiet at first when they're brand new. We'll see how they go, but I've been told that they do ride very smooth. I think the stance looks perfect. If you guys do get the Westcott Designs full lift kit, make sure you keep the top shim off. Do not put the top shim in the front, otherwise it'll be taller in the front, and you don't want that. So this is a perfect stance between the front and the rear. It's about 0.875 inches, 0.75 to 0.875 inches taller in the rear than the front. So perfect stance, perfect rake, no negative rake, and that's what she looks like. Again, very happy with the job. Gas always comes through. They've done a lot of work on my 4Runner TRD Pro as well. And immaculate job on this as well. So thank you guys very much. Keep subscribing to the channel and keep hitting those like buttons. See you guys later.